Morning students, this is Deepak, your maths teacher from Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Hi to everyone and I hope you all are indoors and safe. So without wasting any much time, let's move to today's topic. So the topic that we'll be covering today are addition with regrouping, addition without regrouping and addition with estimation. Basically we'll be revising checkpoint number 1 of the second chapter, that is addition and subtraction. So let's move to today's topic. Let's read the question. Find the following sum. 24,821 added with 30,654 added with 14,321. So my dear students, first of all what we will do is that we will make the table. As you can see in these digits, all these digits are 5-digit numbers, right? So first we will make the table of ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, now we will keep this number into the table. So the number first we will write is 30,000, as it is the greatest one, 30,654 plus 24,821 plus 14,321. Now we will add these numbers. Okay, so let's start. 4 plus 1 is 5. First we will add the number in the ones place. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we move to the tens place. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Now we move to the hundreds place. 6 plus 8 goes to 14. 14 and 3 is 17. Now the number which we got is 17. So we will break this number. So we will write the number in the, which is over here, the 7, at the hundreds place, and we will carry this number. The number 1 would be carried to the thousands place. Okay, this is actually what is regrouping. When the sum of the numbers in one place is exceeding 9, that is, as the sum over here is 17, it is exceeding 9, right? So we carried 1 over this thousands place. Okay, so 1 plus, so first we will add 4 plus 4 is 8, and we will add the number 1 which is carried. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will add 9 over here. And 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer that we got is 69,796. So basically students, regrouping involves carrying forward the number. If the number is exceeding, the sum is exceeding the number 9, then we forward and we'll carry the number to the next place. This is what regrouping is. Let's move to the second topic, that is without regrouping. Let's take an example as we are having 3 numbers. Again we will make the table ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now let's take these numbers 221, 342 and 234. Okay. Yeah. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. As you can see here, all the numbers, the addition of all the 3 numbers in every place didn't exceeded 9. The number which we got was maximum 9, but it did not exceeded 9. So in this manner, we did not carry any number to any other place. This is what is addition without regrouping, and this is addition with regrouping. So let's move to the next topic, that is addition with estimation. Students, without proceeding to this concept of estimation, we will first remember one poem. The poem starts as: find the number, go right next door, 5 or more, add 1 more, 4 or less, let's take rest. I'll repeat it once again. Find the number, go right next door, 5 or more, add 1 more, 4 or less, go take rest. Let's see with the help of an example. The number over here is 27,865. So we'll write 27,865. As we have to round it off to the nearest thousand. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So our number is 7. We found a number. We'll move to right next door. This is 8. Now we'll check this 8. If it is, as you can see that 8 is more than 5. So as it is 5 or more than 5, 5 or more, add 1 more. So we'll add 1 to the 7th place. Okay, so what we got is 2, 7 plus 1 is 8. And after our number, we convert all these digits to 0. So what do we got? of 27,865, we got it, the digit got rounded up to 28,000. So let's round off the other number, that is 39,084. 39,084. Again we find a number first. Ones, tens, 100,000. So our number is 10,000. We'll move to right next door, that is 0. So 0, as we all can see, that it is less than 4. 4 or less, go take rest. So we don't need to do anything. So 39,000 we'll keep it like same way, and after our number we'll actually replace all these three digits with 0. Okay, so 39,084 rounded up to 39,000. So in this manner we round off. Now what do we need to do? We need to estimate the following sum. Now we need to estimate the sum. Okay, so now we'll add these numbers. So 28,000 and 39,000. We need to add these two numbers. The sequence in addition doesn't matter. We can write 39,000 upwards and 28 below it, and vice versa. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0. 9 and 8 is 17. 17. Carry 1 over here. 3 and 2 is 5. 5 and 1 is 6. So the answer that we got is 69,000 only. Okay, so in this manner we estimate. Actually students, we have already learned the process of estimation in our previous videos in the chapter number 1, numbers, and this sum was just carrying the method of estimation. So we learned that poem. Okay, so now let's move to the last topic, that is word problems. So let's read the question, my dear students. The population of a small town in the year 2016 was 90,640. The population increased by 9,845 in the next year. What was the population of the town in year 2017? So we got to know one thing, that the question is saying that the population increased by 9,845. Whenever we are talking about increment or increasing a number, then we have to do addition. And whenever it is written decreasing or the number is getting decreased, then we do minus. Positive and negative, you all know, right? So let's write the question, write the solution. So how we'll write the statements? Population of a small town in year 2016. So we'll write population of the town. Population of the town in year 2016. 2016 is 90,640. 90,640. The population increased by 9,845. So we'll write increase in population. Increase in population is equals to 9,845. And as it is asked, what was the population of the town in year 2017? So we need to find out the total population left. Okay, so total population in 2017 is equals to sum of population of in year 2016 and increasing population. So we'll write in this manner, is equals to population in 2016 plus increase in population. Okay, so population in 2016 was 90,640. 90,640. Okay, add increase in population. Increase in population was 9,845. So we'll add these two numbers. How we'll add? 90,640 plus 9,845. 5 plus 0, 5. 8, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1,485. So total number of population in 2017 is 1,485. So students, I would again tell you, why did we do addition in this sum? Because it was given the population of a small town in year 2016 was 90,000 and the population increased by 9,845. So the population actually increased. If the population would have decreased, we would have done subtraction. As it is written, the population increased, so we did addition. So in this manner, we solved the sums based on word problems based on addition. So students, the PDF to this exercise I have posted in groups. So do check it out and just solve the sums. All the best, stay indoors. Thank you so much.